But I don't care. All that matters to me is Isaiah.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Victoria and I am a sustainable fashion designer. Go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button so y'all can come and join the family. Today's video, we're going to be working on some patchwork jeans. So if this is something that you're interested in, then just keep on watching. Alright you guys, so the first thing that we are going to do is we're going to take our base pair of jeans and we're going to have to open all the seams in the crotch and the outer. So I'm going to be cutting out the hem of this because I'm going to be adding some patches going down the leg, so it's going to be basically like kind of stacked. So once you've opened up your seams, then you're going to want to go ahead and cut out your patches and add them onto the pants. This is the tedious part, just so you know, but this takes time. And if you have the time, just go ahead and do it. I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my dirty go. Got the ass to the floor. I've been in feelings, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my pride, babe? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of faith. But let me tell you, I like you a lot of faith. I wanna start at the top and the bottom, babe. Now you want the shit with the bed at the bottom, babe. You know I like when you right at the top. She wants your name, yo. I'm only doing cash, I don't need promo. I pull up to the high rise, I'm in the 4-4. Inside Coco. If I got a feeling that you this time my heart. And I keep up at it cause I don't do the side. You see my diamonds even when I'm in the dark. And since you got it, it makes you gonna do anything. Shawty made that ass type, she don't need no applause. High fashion, like go, yo. G-Wagon. Let you work that shit. Do your damn thing, let the neighbors stare. Your daddy's home. It's time to play. You ain't gotta give my loving away, yeah. So, update. I got a couple of the patches on towards the bottom of the leg. But now I'm trying to patch everything on here at this point. But I'm kind of struggling. I'm debating at this moment if I should be moving the patches towards further down on the pants because what I anticipated is not working out. So I'm trying to be done with these fucking pants so they could be out of my life. I don't want to look at no more denim for a while. And I'm just keeping it a bug because my head hurts. Let me continue trying to figure this out and just start. So as you can see, I am just stitching the patches down, and you definitely have to maneuver your fabric as you're adding your patches. So that is what I'm doing. Ouch. And be careful with these pins too. Wait, let me turn it. Also, another thing I can mention is that denim does work best on industrial machines. However, this is not an industrial machine. Just be mindful. If you have just a home machine, you will have some popping threads, possibly even some popping needles. I am using denim thread and a denim needle for this project. So if you don't have an industrial machine, I would suggest to get a denim needle and a denim thread, but you will possibly be having some popping threads. I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my dirty go. Got the ass to the floor. Alright, we finally got one leg done. 3 hours later.
I'm gonna take a break and I'm gonna start on the next leg.
You know I like when you ready. If I hit in front of that, she gon' hit the sidewalk. If she got the best with her, take her back to my law. Got a 5 in up on it, wild.
I'm sorry I did not have an outro for this, but this is the end result of these pants, y'all. It took me a total of 14 hours to complete this look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed looking at how these pants turned out. Don't forget to give me a like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm going to catch you guys on the next video. Bye.
Started made that ass touching, don't need no clothes. High fashion, like oh yeah, G-Wagon or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you got a cold. I know I gotta keep my dirty go. Got that ass to the